For the PM-8 kit, you're going to need the 9.5 millimeter brad point drill bit. The one supplied by Strongink, no tear out, leaves a very, very nice centered hole. So that's a win right there. So the 9.5 millimeter brad point from Strongink with the PMK-8 kit is a winner so far. Look at that. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect, I tell you. For this kit, you use the BUM-8 bushing. The bushing number and the pen kit generally correspond. So like BUM-8's for the PMK-8 kit, and then you have the like the PM5 and stuff like that. This is a cool little blank. I have no idea what wood this is. I think it might be canary wood, but it wasn't marked in my my little box. But it's really cool. Can't wait to see what it looks like on the old lathe. I like that detail. Try something a little different. Ends match up. We'll have a little extra detail there. I think I'm going to do that. Never done it that way. I like it. Yeah. A little quick sand and some wax on that, and it'll be ready to go. Start out at 400, go 4, 6, 1200. That's all I need to do there. Excuse, I'm just starting at 400. Kind of a difficult grain pattern there to make work. That's on me. But it's a cool pen blank. Never seen it before. So I want to see what that looks like. And I also like this new shape. I've never tried that before either. Just using this to clean it off and see what the grain looks like before I move to the next grit if I need to at all. That looks pretty darn cool. There's twinsy, some weird cool rainbow colors. Kind of an end grain kind of thing there. That's weird. Bring it up a notch. And a little of our standard shop shine. Pretty cool. And I'm trying something different on a brand new kit. This is the PMK-8 from Strongink. Single tube kit, just a few components. It looks like a great kit for beginners, and it's a very pretty looking kit. Just throw a little of our standard shop shine on there, melt it in nice. So we're up at 2,000 RPM right now. Just let that melt in. Hopefully from your angle. And we'll see. Pretty looking pen blank. Ooh, look at that. That is so cool. I really gotta figure out what this wood is. You have any idea what this wood is, guys? Huh, that's cool. All right, let's go over to the table and put it together. Simple one, huh? So far this has got to be the easiest kit I've ever seen from a company. It's very, very good, very beginner friendly. So I've glued our blank in. You've already seen how to do that. And then there's only just a handful of parts. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go with our pen tip down on this end. I think we'll just start it a little bit first if we can, just to get in there before we go to the press. It makes it just a little bit easier on us. And that's just a push-in part. So we're gonna go towards the metal tip, and I'll show you why in a minute here. But in the past, I'd always used the rubber, the soft end, when putting this part in. And I've noticed that the little hole in the middle ends up crimping this part down here, which I don't like. So now we can get it in there, get a nice, easy seating of that. And I think that looks pretty stellar. Now that part is fixed, which is cool about this pen, is the engine right here goes up in here. So your engine's gonna be on the top up here. So all you have to do is drop your pen in, and that's a pre-assembled part, and then push your cap on. It should end up seating just perfectly into that spot. And then I believe one of these parts should be, see, you could take off the top here, and that's how you'll replace your ink leader. So I think I'm going to unscrew this to put it together so I don't scratch my cap up here. And I think that actually makes more sense. I don't know why they don't say that in instructions. So that would be my tip for you. Take off the screw-on cap where the ink goes in first. Get a little press. And again, my design, very different than normal. I went ahead and tapered this up to meet here to give ourselves a little bit more meat in the pen without a super thin barrel. Again, that's a preference, right? And all you have to do is drop your ink in, and then your engine's up on top here. Just line it up and screw it down. Such an easy kit. This is amazing. The bottom here, tips out, tips in, tips out. Pull off the ink protector. You can see it's very nice, smooth, very smooth. And all in all, that's a pretty good looking pen. Still don't know what this wood is though. But right here, let's take a look. It's the PKM-8. Right out of the box. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. This is a kit I'd highly recommend for a beginner. If you're just getting into pens and you don't want to be doing slim lines, you want to try something different that looks higher end, in my opinion, this is a very good pen kit for that. Very good. Very simple kit, very minimal tools. You can get everything you need directly from Strongink very affordably, and you end up with what I think is a very pretty pen. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, till next time.
Get out there and turn something.